Exercise 3.2, question number 3. What must be the radius of a circular running path around which an athlete must run 5 times in order to describe 1 kilometer? Athlete run around a circular path. So, we have to find circumference of circle. We know circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Here an athlete run 5 times to describe 1 kilometer. So 5 into circumference. So 5 into 2 pi r equal to 1 kilometer. 10 pi r equal to, converting kilometer into meter, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. For 0 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். We know the value of pi 22 by 7 into r equal to 100. We want to find radius. So r equal to 100. 22 by 7 taking other side, 7 by 22. 22 and 100 you can cancel by 2 table, 11 times 50 times. 50 into 7, 350 divided by 11. Dividing 350 by 11 we get 31.818. Approximating to 2 decimals we get 31.82 meter. Therefore, radius of the circular running path is equal to 31.82 meter. Question number 4. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, a chord is of length 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. So this is a circle. Diameter of the circle is 40. Let O be the center. So radius, this is equal to 20, 20. AB is the chord and length of the chord is 20. C is the midpoint of chord AB. So AC, BC equal to 10, 10 each. Now from O, draw perpendicular. So angle at C is 90 degree. OA, OB radius. So இதுவும் நமக்கு 20 அப்படினு கிடைக்கும். Diameter of a circle equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore radius equal to 20 centimeter. Length of the chord 20 centimeter. Therefore AC equal to BC equal to 10 centimeter. Let us consider this angle BOC equal to theta and AOC theta. So this total angle AOB is 2 theta. Angle COB theta. In triangle COB, இப்போ theta is the opposite side 10. The hypotenuse நமக்கு 20 தெரியும். So we can write sin theta. Sin theta is equal to BC by OB. Opposite by hypotenuse equal to 10 by 20. 0, 0 cancel பண்ணிலாம் 1 by 2. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So 2 theta is 2 into 30, 60 degree. Therefore, angle AOB, this is 2 theta. 2 theta equal to 60 degree. Converting into radian, pi by 3. Now we want to find length of the minor arc. We know the formula for length of the arc. S equal to R into theta. Radius of the circle is 20 and this angle is 2 theta. 2 theta 60 degree, pi by 3. So theta is pi by 3. 20 by 3, pi is 22 by 7. Length கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So அதனால pi வந்து 22 by 7. 3 7s are 21. 20 into 22, 440. 440 divided by 21 and dividing we get 20.95 centimeter. So length of the arc, this arc AB is equal to 20.95 centimeter. Question number 5. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Want to find the degree measure given radius and arc length. Radius of the circle 100 centimeter, arc length 22 centimeter. Theta is equal to S by R. We know the formula for arc length S. S is equal to R into theta. So theta is S by R. Substituting for S and R, 22 by 100. Now this is in radian. So to convert into degree, 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. But 22 by 100 radian அப்படினா இதை 180 by pi ஆல multiply பண்ணணும். So 22 by 100 into 180 degree by pi. 22 by 100 into 180 degree. Pi is 22 by 7. So that 7 goes to numerator. 22 cancel. 0, 0 cancel பண்ணிலாம். 10 and 18 you can cancel by 2 table. 5 times and 9 times. 9 sevens are 63. 63 degree by 5. இப்போ degree இருக்கு, இது fraction இருக்குதுனால இதை divide பண்ணலாம். 63 divided by 5. 1 time 5. Remainder 1. 13. 13 5 ஆல divide பண்ணிங்கன்னா 2. 10 times. Remainder 3. இப்போ 3 5 ஆல divide பண்ண முடியாது. This is in degree. So converting degree into minutes. 1 degree is 60 minutes. அப்போ 3 degree அப்படின்னா 3 into 60. 180 minutes. இப்போ 180 திரும்ப 5 ஆல divide பண்ணலாம். 18ல 3 times 15. Subtracting 3. 0 கீழே இறக்குனா 30. 30 5 ஆல divide பண்ணா 6 times. So 12 degree 36 minutes. So theta equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. Therefore, angle subtended at the center of the circle is equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. Question number 6. What is the length of the arc intersected by a central angle of measure 41 degree in a circle of radius 10 feet? நமக்கு இங்கே சென்ட்ரல் ஆங்கிளும் ரேடியஸும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. சென்ட்ரல் ஆங்கிள் theta equal to 41 degree. Radius of the circle is 10 feet. To find length of the arc, we know the formula S is equal to R into theta. 10 into 41 degree. So degree நம்ம radianக்கு convert பண்ணணும். So this is 10 into 41. 1 degree is pi by 180. இப்போ 41 degree அப்படின்னா 41 into pi by 180. ஒரு 0, 0 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். So 41 pi by 18. இப்போ பையோட வேல்யூ நமக்கு தெரியும் 22 by 7. So 41 by 18 into 22 by 7. Cancel by 2 table 9 times and 11 times. 41 into 11 451 divided by 9 sevens are 63. Dividing 451 by 63, we get 7.158. So 7.158 feet. 3 decimal, approximating it to 2 decimal, we get 7.16 feet. Therefore, length of the arc equal to 7.16 feet. Question number 7. If in two circles, arcs of the same length subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Two circles, arc length same and they subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree. Want to find ratio of their radii. Let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two given circles. Let S be the arc length. First angle theta 1 equal to 60 degree, converting into radian pi by 3. Theta 2 equal to 75 degree, converting into radian 75 into pi by 180. 15 ஆல cancel பண்ணினா 5 times and 12 times. 5 pi by 12. Given arc length are equal. You know the formula for arc length, R into theta. So R1 theta 1 equal to R2 theta 2. Substituting for theta 1 and theta 2. R1 theta 1 is pi by 3 equal to R2 into 5 pi by 12. Pi cancel. 3 12 கூட cancel பண்ணினா 4 times. So R1 equal to R2 into 5 by 4. R2 இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வரலாம். R1 by R2 equal to 5 by 4. That is R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. So ratio is 5 is to 4. Therefore ratio of the radii is equal to 5 is to 4.